There are 4 steps that you could take to keep your family safer when preparing, serving, and storing food. Clean, separate, cook, and chill. It all starts with clean. Always wash hands before and after handling food and dry with a paper towel. Use a soapy water and scrub your hands for about 20 seconds. Wash fruits and vegetables in cold running water. Wash all utensils in hot soapy water. Wash anything that come into contact with food including surfaces, cutting boards, and food thermometers. Wash dishcloth in a washing machine. Clean is the first step in preventing food illness. Separate is important for preventing cross-contamination. It's when juices from uncooked food come contact with safely cooked food or other raw foods. The juice can contain harmful bacteria that could cause food illness. Always separate raw foods from cooked foods by using separate platter. For example, one plate for the raw beef patties, a separate clean plate for cooked burgers. If you don't have 2 platters, be sure to wash your platter with hot soapy water before reusing it. Remember to always use different utensils for raw and cooked food. Use separate cutting boards, one for raw meat, another for vegetables, and so on. And when storing raw food in the refrigerator, keep them separate from other foods. Separate is an important step in preventing food illness. Cook is a key concept and it deals mainly with the temperature. The only way to know where meats, poultry, and seafoods have reached a safe internal temperature is by using food thermometer. You cannot just tell by looking or by the color of meat or poultry. Place a clean food thermometer on a ground meat, patties, chicken parts, steak, roast, and chops, and learn the safe internal temperature for each type. Burger should be 160 degrees Fahrenheit, chicken breast 165, and pork roast and chops should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit and with a 3-minute rest time. That also applies to beef, veal, and lamb roast, steak, and chops. Cook fish into 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep hot foods hot at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. When reheating casserole, make sure they reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit as measured with the food thermometer. Chill. Keep perishable foods safe in the refrigerator and make sure the temperature is 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Use a refrigerator thermometer to make sure. Frozen food should be kept at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Leftover should always be chilled as quickly as possible after serving. Don't leave them at room temperature for more than 2 hours. Leaving food out for long at room temperature it allows bacteria to grow to dangerous levels that can cause food illnesses. If the weather is warm, say over 90 degrees in summer, you should shorten the 2-hour rule to 1 hour. Chill also applies to transporting food. Always use uninsulated containers with ice or frozen gels to keep the food cold. Food is safe when kept it for 40 degrees or below as measured by an appliance